Can we wait until he's right here? All right? Until he's right here. Whoa! Come to this side. Right here.
Him fingernail ready. Ready and steady, yeah.
Him fingernail
ready. Meaning it look clean. As a big man.
Look, I think I wash my hand before I come here still. Never really do the beard thing, but hand wash, you know?
But you need to bathe.
Well, soap expensive still now, but never try.
Cheap. Buy a pack of soap, $100. Sud.
You not beard?
Hard work, that still now when I have time for you.
What the
Ideal
best
first
first
date?
date that bring a girl pan?
Well, I'm not that hypey typey flashy guy, you know. Let's go on the waterfront. Let's eat some ice cream together, and let's get down later on the bed. Down.
After ice cream, get down on the bed?
Behave yourself, Rolly, man. Oh gosh, Rolly, man. Behave yourself, now, Rolly. What that? No, do that, Rolly. What that?
What are you saying?
You let the one girl with the OnlyFans.
We do. Why? I don't even know if it's about that, but unless I'm here, I got to be sure.
But she need to fix her smile, you know? Smile.
What do you
Is it? Veneers is
No,
a thing, just work on that, please.
You can
Smile.
use
Look at
the-
look, smile at the camera. Smile in the camera, please.
You have money, can
Smile
you
a
for do
thing.
veneers? Can you do veneers?
No, I would
one
never
of your
give
teeth
you
chip.
mine, no me.
One of your teeth chip.
Of course.
One of your teeth is chip and rotten.
No.
So before you
no,
come and judge people about them
no.
teeth, you need forgot.
Novo Pandora.
Yo! And the next part the balloon our friend Love Portmore, you ready? Yo! It's the energy for me. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe below. Big up Live Boss for the visual. Yo, I need a lot of hugs right now because I'm consistent. Okay? Clap in the chat right now. Just me want some applaud. Like, me really I do good. You see me? Remember my birthday around the corner. You see it? My birthday is on the October the 22nd, all right? So make sure you come on my Instagram and tell me happy birthday. I want to feel special, okay? All right. Woo! and me I keep my very first party on the 24th of October, Mecca. You see it? If you miss my second birthday party, that good. But this is my first. Like, come out, come enjoy and sell more soon. We're going to do a live performance to pop the balloon. Yo, I love this. You see, you don't know. Big up my main sponsor, GG Studio, right at Town Center. You know, you see the lighting, you see the vibes, You see it? Very affordable, and the best photographers are here, okay? Females, it's simple. When a male walk out and you don't like him, you pop your balloon, okay? Okay? And if you like him, what do? You keep your balloon, all right? All right? Yeah, big up God. God in that like all the time. Big up my team. That video is struggle and stressful, but we'll come through. You see it? Banger. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, watch you know. I really want to hug. Like, I miss you, and I'm not gone a long time. So, I'm a lover boy, okay? Alright, because I love you because you like the video. I love that. People say them are flying. Like, somebody are flying from a birthday party. Like, that's insane. Nah, when I love me that much, I need a hug. Thank you so much. You see, the man them hold on this. Big up. You see it? Watch you know, females, are you ready? Yeah. Are you ready? Ready. All right, so we're going to bring in the first meal, all right? Can we wait until he's right here? All right? Until he's right here. Whoa! Come to this side. Right here. Only that even wait until him staying at the room. Introduce yourself, your name?
Yeah, man, I one comedian, Mark.
Comedian Mark, all right. What about, the work do you do? You're a comedian?
Yeah, comedian.
Oh, that's all that you do?
All that I do.
All right, then. And what's your type, though? What type of girl do you like?
Well, me have all type of type.
Mm-hmm.
Not only when I type on WhatsApp, but all type of type.
In females, like, what's your type in females?
In females,
Yeah.
well, as you would say, thick as, slim as,
Mm-hmm.
all of the as them. So, you know, say, not just
Thickers and slimmers. So, both.
both and all ship too.
Okay. All right. All right. All right. And what's like a perfect first date? You bring a girl upon.
A date, the first date?
Yeah.
Well, for me, still, like the other day, me bring out a girl and,
Yeah.
well, she never liked the date still, but it was a date. Bring her out. Me just bring her out in my yard and
But it was a date to you.
yeah, because I'm sure some things in the yard where she never, me I say, babes, you never see the arcade tree here before, you know, like,
Or like a gear, like a tour.
tour in the yard, you know.
All right, then. Shout out to social?
Media,
Yeah, your social media.
Comedian Mark and TikTok, Comedian Mark and Instagram,
Yeah.
Facebook, Mark Parker, Comedian Mark.
Okay. All right, so we got some pop. We're going to find out why them pop the balloon, all right? You want to start with down there first?
Yeah, man.
All right, then. Let's go. Come. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Avatar. Social is z.h.o with 9 underscores. I popped my balloon because he's way too old for me, and he's not my type at all.
Oh, like him older than why you know him old, like way too old for you?
Age, how him look.
But him the same age?
Well, based on how him look old. I'm not like that chain the rim around.
But him can just mature, but him young.
I don't like him.
Oh, okay. All right. And based on him appearance, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
I get a 6.
6 out of 10.
Yeah, shirt clean, pants clean, shoes clean too, but it's just not my style.
Not your style. All right, then. What about her? What do you think about what she say?
Well, she say me old, but me not cold, you know. Like some fool, you know. And, well, me rate her honesty, you know. But me still rate what she say about the good things, them and all of that.
Okay.
Shirt clean, pants clean. I'm
You
not
rate
lean, you know.
All right, then. Is she your type, though?
Type.
Type C, George.
Could be one of my type.
All right.
Yeah,
Good.
could be one of my
Good.
type. Somebody I like.
Come down the line.
How much did I tell him out of 10 or whatever for rate me?
Oh, my bad.
Yeah,
My-
incomplete.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
1 to 10. Well, me da give her a 5 a road.
That's fine. Not that good. There's a number on the scale.
Once it up on the scale.
Or if it off, it no matter.
Okay. Come down to the side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Monique. On social media, Instagram, you can find me at Black British, or on TikTok, you can find me Monique.
Why you pop your balloon?
Because I'm way too old. Him could have been my father.
Why you not ask me him age, though?
It doesn't matter about him. Him could have been my father for true. Like, me not have to, if I by looking at him could have been my father.
Or him just look mature and...
Do look all like him in them 50s, like he's a 50s man.
Ask him age.
Your age.
Well, my age, well, the person who manage me still a look about that, and we not come through with that yet. So as soon as me know, you can know.
You don't know your age?
Not yet.
Okay.
You see why?
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
To be honest, would I give one 4 because him clothes clean and he have any nice clocks, you know. Yeah. And him put himself as a little, you know, although him not look young, but you know, whether young boy them would put on or some, you know, just
Oh, him look like a young boy.
yeah, him clean up himself, him not come, you know, yeah, him alright.
Oh, yeah, same old, but him look
All-
like a young
all
boy.
young then.
And the reason I even put him as 4, because him drop them, you know, make no sense. And but nobody not laugh. Like,
You not find him funny.
you don't find him funny. Him just loud that alone. But that's
What you mean? I'm job.
It don't make no sense. And him just need to work on it more. Him drop them.
Okay. What do you think about what she have to say and how much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, no ratings, not even like the pot scrapings.
Fine.
Because she decide to them.
Oh, like she did say work.
My work, you know, and take her for jerk, you know.
Never did say work. I'm telling you, work on it. Never did say work. But that's fine. You
Alright.
take it.
Good?
0
Well,
days.
many others love the flavor,
Yeah, but you good.
like me should.
All right, then come down to the side. Sorry. Your name,
I'll be
social.
flapping.
Why you pop your balloon?
My name is Terrible, social media Terrible4818. Why I pop my balloon is because you look old enough for my father.
Oh, your father at this age, like.
I look like my father. The only thing is that my father browner than him.
I'm gonna bleach then.
And if you bleach, you look like him.
Just like him.
Very, very much.
I'm gonna try the beach. You know. That's it.
What's your last name?
Last name, I'm Parker.
Okay.
And your father?
No. No.
Okay. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Would I give him a 5?
5 out of 10?
Yeah, if you're a big man, him put himself together. You're well trim up. You know, look like you do your maintenance, them and them thing there.
Is he a type?
Ah, type. I can't manage a big man them, so no.
Okay. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
1 to 10. Well, yeah, a 2.
2? Why 2?
She just deserve that for true. A 2.
I'm not laugh. That's okay, thank you.
All right?
Yeah, man, and the 2 is for that little stylish eyelash thing, you know.
What about it?
Never seen a girl with that flowers thing.
That's it, I'm very unique.
Oh, so you like it?
I like my own style.
Own style.
Yeah,
So you're more like home style.
whatever you call it.
All right, come down to the side. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Kalia. My social is Kalia Ars, and I'm an upcoming model. Why I pop my balloon is because basically all of the same reasons. He dresses like a dad. He doesn't have any fashion sense. I saw him when I came up here. He just gives me predator energy. I don't like my father. My father looks better than him at his age. He looks old. I don't date old men like him without any swag, style, or anything. Also, he's rating the girls poorly, and they're young girls. Like, you know how hard it is for you as an old man to attract a young girl, and you're dissing everybody in line just because they don't like you because they're saying that you're a father, which is a legitimate reason. So I'm just gonna go ahead and give you a negative 1 million. And I don't know if your maths is that good to come over that number, but I'm gonna give you a negative number as my rating. You don't have to rate me if you want. I don't care.
All right. There you are.
Well, no ratings, not even like a pot scrapings.
Nobody cares about your rating because you're not a person who can give anybody rating.
All right. He's not your type, yes, all right?
Not my type at all.
All right, good.
Well, neither my type, neither my height.
You wish, and you were looking me just before I came up here, so I don't have to be your type. Bye.
That was not looking.
You're right, because you could never get me.
All right.
Shada Road.
Go over more. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Keitha. Instagram Keitha.05. As everyone said before, older, way too older. That was my father, respectfully. So that's just it.
That's just it. How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. What do you think about she?
Well, it's CM5. Actually, CM1, me sit down the stairs and I drive. CM5.
Okay.
That means everything live.
Big up.
Big up.
You must survive.
Okay.
Okay.
One comedian, Mark.
Alright. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Name Kenny's Instagram Miss Body 21. TikTok Miss Body 21. Reason I'm popping balloon because he could have been my father. And it's just not my type because when I date old man.
But suppose him like a younger girl though.
Well, that's an him, but no.
How much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
That give a 4.
4. Huh? What you think about she based on what she said and how much you da rate her?
Well, the father thing, they like Father Abraham. Well, I guess, but the things I want daughter me have, but right now me have daughter more than, pipe of water. So, well, for the whole thing, should I get a little 2?
2 out of 10?
But thanks though.
Yeah, 2 out of 10.
Alright.
There is no connection, no friend.
That's why you give her 2?
For true.
You like the rhyme thing, yeah, rhyme is.
Well, my favorite artist, my idol, was Merciless.
Okay.
Who rhymed the best, so.
Yeah.
You have some rhyme in my chest,
Okay.
Yeah.
Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Name Spider. Instagram Miss_body_. Because when I pop balloon, because in saying go bring me pan date in my backyard. 9 yard.
Oh, so yeah, that kind of show ya.
Yeah.
What you think about the first date there?
9 yard. Me have yard too.
Oh, so you just stay at your yard and you would better go a female yard.
Yeah, right.
How much you da rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
Why 3?
Cause a 3. Cause we backyard settings.
Backyard. Alright. How much you da rate her and based on what she said about the backyard thing, what you think about it?
Well, the backyard. Well, I could have top up the thing still, no. She not like the backyard, live up a Bridgeport up there, so, but if she want to go somewhere further, could have walk, down a Waterford. But she
Waterford, me live.
Oh, come that bring you out down and show you, say, yo, say, I have a cartel to live. I have him right the
So
first
me don't
time.
want to know that more go on date, official date.
Right now, the only serious date I have right now is my date of birth.
But you don't know your age, you say you don't know your age. But alright. How much you da rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, because she not this high age. Because she don't this high age. Give her a 5 on the page.
Alright, thanks.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Don't to this side now. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Well, my name is Monique and social media TikTok, Wicked Girl, Instagram, YBR Bad Girl, and why me pop my balloon because him just not my type. Him could have been my father. Yeah. But me like him clean up himself. Him look clean for a big man. Him fingernail ready. Ready and steady, yeah.
Him fingernail?
Ready. Meaning it look clean. As a big man.
Like him fingernail?
Yes, because I know every big man fingernail clean. Yeah, him ready and steady. Yeah, anyways, mother give him just a 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about what she say? About your fingernail?
Well, look, I think I wash my hand before I come here still. Never really do the beard thing, but hand wash,
But you need to bathe.
Well, soap expensive still now, but I gotta try.
Cheap, buy a pack of Fab soap, $100. Sud.
You not beard?
Hard work, that still now, when I have time for it. Most of the time, I depend on live and them something.
Oh, so sometimes you just get a chance for
wash all my hand,
And him live right up there, so. Him live near the sea. And you no beard? You're a joker. Anyways, have a nice night.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Well, I give her a 7, you know what I say? She not talk about the age, so she make me feel like I die even, So, I rate her.
Yeah,
A
respect.
7. Yeah, respect.
Yourself, yeah.
Respect. One comedian, Mark.
Alright then. Everybody pop them balloon. Whoa. I don't know. Like, I don't know if the age thing never agree with them or are the lyrics are. But he wasn't that much today. You know what you have to do? Walk with grace. Walk with grace, yeah? To the side there, yeah? Walk with grace.
In I race.
Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Alright, so females, can I get some energy? Yeah. One more? Alright, we're gonna bring in the next male, okay? You guys are ready? Yo, everybody balloon a jump. Let's go. Alright, so the same thing, just wait until he's right here. Alright, that's good? Alright, so bring him to this side. Come to this side.
Pleasant good afternoon, ladies.
Right, sir. Introduce yourself.
I want mentality and all y'all ladies do tonight.
Alright. Oh yeah, ask a question.
All y'all ladies doing tonight. Wonderful.
What type of work do you do?
Well, I own a small business, 9 to 5, you know.
Alright. And when it comes down to your type though, what's your type?
Well educated, you know, can do all the thing of our work, take care of our people,
Oh, so she have to work and thing.
Not say work, you know, but she have to have something to go on for herself.
Okay, alright. And like what's a red flag when it comes down to a female though?
Well, she not like beard and them thing, man.
Oh, you know, like a girl with a light beard.
Hygiene. She don't know if to care herself.
Yeah.
Is it her toenail dirty? Can't cook. Come on, moms. Do better, man.
Okay. Alright. And what's like an ideal first date for you? Like what
Ideal
the best
first
first
date?
date that bring a girl pan?
Well, I'm not that hypey type, flashy guy, you know. Let's go on the waterfront. Let's eat some ice cream together. And let's get down later on the bed. Down.
After ice cream, get down on the bed?
Behave yourself, Rolly, man. Oh, gosh, Rolly, man. Behave yourself, now, Rolly. What that? No, do that, Rolly. What that?
Bro, me just clarify it, bro. Yes, sir. Bro, clarify. Yes, sir. Yeah, after ice cream, get down in the bed.
I mean it like that.
Just a clarify it.
Fix up that Rolly, man. What that?
No, meaning say like after ice cream, you just go on with her up on the bed. That me I say. What you say?
Understandable.
Okay, alright. Shout out the social for me now.
You don't know, say I want mentality in upon the TikTok, you know, big up on yourself still. Down.
Alright, then we got some pop. We're gonna find out why they pop the balloon, alright?
Let's do that now.
Alright, go down to this side. Your name or your pop your balloon?
I'm Avatar. I pop my balloon because I don't like his attire, and I don't like the way his hair is right now. That's all.
You not like him here?
The way how it is right now. That's all.
Or like Rasta?
No, I don't have a problem with the locks because I like locks. It's just that normally you can grow them and tighten up and stuff. That's all.
Alright. What do you think about his appearance? How much you do rate it from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him a 5.
5 out of 10? Why 5?
Well, the pants, it's kind of dirty, to be honest, and the Crocs too.
Oh, the Crocs dirty?
Yeah, the Crocs is dirty. You can look in it.
But the Crocs black?
Really, you can literally see that it's dirty. Like, literally.
Alright. Alright. Is he your type though?
No, he's not, but I like his complexion because I like dark skin.
Alright. What do you think about what Shafa say?
Well, let's start off with the white. That look brown. Well, for them eerie. Oh, man, come on, man. Do better, man. You talk about my ear, what kind of wig that rolling? What is that? Do better now? Well, look at the chain, bro.
Bro, nothing wrong with our lace, bro.
What do you mean by lace? I face that father. Do better than that, man. Behave yourself. Don't do that, man.
Alright.
Behave yourself, man.
How much should I rate her
Better
from
than
1 to
that.
10?
1 to 10. I give her a 1, father. I don't know. Our attitude, alright.
Oh, just for your attitude.
Yeah.
Oh, but you look alright.
Attitude.
Yeah.
I didn't have attitude.
Anything she say.
Good?
I'm
Is
always
it?
good. I'm fine.
Okay, come down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Black British, really.
Why you pop your balloon?
The reason why I pop my balloon because I like really like short man, I like man my height, and then again I like man with locks, and then the locks they look really dirty. Your clothes look washed out and dirty. You don't even know if it washed out or dirty because everything combined. The attitude that you have towards the girl a while ago, I never really like that because she deal with you good. Even though she say she not like, she point out something that she not like, but you could at least deal with it better. Then the date, no man can just come and then carry me go eat ice cream. No. That don't make no sense. I look for somewhere big, no big dates, nor nothing but ice cream. Walk a waterfall and ice cream. I don't understand, maybe I have a cut or something, but you never have to wear one big band-aid because I just cut it to the size where the cut is, I almost put it there, but you never wear a big something by your fight. No. Then I come meet some beautiful, nice girls. You could have fixed up yourself but like yeah, they come from like a simple kind of friend them, a smoke and reason I drink some liquor and play a little woody and that's it. I just say, look, sorry.
Alright, good.
Yeah.
And you rate him how much out of 10?
But I just give him a 1 out of 10.
1 out of 10?
Yeah, because them attitude stink towards the girl and then babe away and
Yeah. What do you think about what she have to say and how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Okay, Punga. Smile to the camera, let us see. Smile to the camera.
No, I don't need for that.
Let's fix this right back right here. It's my turn.
don't
Behave
like
yourself.
it.
Behave yourself, no moms. What is this? Calm down now. Look at this. Let's talk about you now. What is this you wear now? Look at that. You call that 2-piece? Need suit on a Sunday? 2-piece really, come on, fix up that man. A man you come to look around, man, I look you. That's not right. Let's talk about the wig. You call that edge or edge off? Let's look at it. Bore up nose and anything that don't work. Are you a female or you a she-male? Let's fix that rolling, man. Rate her from 1 or 2.
Yeah, how much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Your shoes 10. Your shoes are 10. Our shoes.
Yeah, shoes are 10.
Yeah.
So what about above the shoes?
Above the shoes, I'll tell you side on that, Is it? I never come and a coat, I come still not rolling. So why you judge me then?
Oh, she judge you?
Yeah. Based off for the first look. My attire this, I'm not no flashy youth.
But
and then
I
thing.
would
They
say-
suppose
I
I
would
might
say
turn. Behave
dunks.
yourself now.
I would say
Behave
dunks,
yourself
because I
now.
only say judges,
Punga
so I
is
would
the
say
punga.
dunks. Like any from
Dunks.
Alright.
Dunks. Okay. I want mentality, man.
Good, you're good?
Yeah, man.
Alright, that's calm, yeah?
Okay.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Terrible. Roll him too sassy for me, So I beg you move along, my panty tight.
So I like it, man.
No, but you look like fear one tighter. So, continue.
Oh, so how much?
0. Sorry about 0. Your attitude is off and you're basically being disrespectful because of honest truth or others' opinion. So basically I be disrespectful. Watch him, I look at him. All him did is I do I think of something bad for said no, not. Let me hear it. Let me hear it.
So she'll say you're being disrespectful. Just be more respectful and, yeah? What do you think about what she have to say on her attire? How much should I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, the shoes, the slippers. She up still, but she need to fix her smile, Smile.
What do you
Is it? Veneers is
No,
a thing, just. Work on that, please.
You can
Smile.
use
Look at
the-
look, smile at the camera. Smile in the camera, please.
You have money, can
Smile
you
a
do
thing.
veneers? Can you do veneers?
I would
one
never
of your
give
teeth
you
chip.
mine, I mean.
One of your teeth chip.
Of course.
One of your teeth is chip and rotten.
No.
So before you
no,
come and judge people about them teeth, you need to forget. You have a heart.
Of course. Look at this. What is this now? You don't do that. Smile in the camera again. We calm down the road when I move so fast. Calm down now.
We are going
Come
to the
out
side.
in this Jaguar suit. I'm to the wireless here. Fuck.
Alright. Your name, why pop your balloon?
Kalia, I pop my balloon because I don't like the all black attire. That's not my style. What else? I date taller guys, so that's it basically. I don't like his disrespectfulness, but that's all I'm gonna say.
What do you think about his attire though?
It's low efforts. That's all.
Alright. What do you think about what she say?
Well, tell you true role that brown in the pre from night stay, you know. As I like her makeup and everything, her shoes, she carry herself nice. You can also she go up in a good home, father and mother nice and anything there. Her hair, afro, she have to big up herself, I give her 10 still.
10.
As I like her painted nose, you know. Nicely, mas them my dick still.
Her painted nose.
Yeah, man.
Okay, thank you. I appreciate that. Especially those compliments. All right, thanks.
As is a 10 she get, man. She up a she me a pre from night still.
Oh, so you wanted her to keep her balloon?
Yeah, she more. I see him like rolling. This. Yeah, back up now, rolling. See? I share the nice girl again.
With your papa balloon.
Yeah. What's your name again?
Kalia.
Kayla, big up yourself. You're one mentality, you're Malik, yeah?
Come down to the side, Maji. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, my name is Keitha. Firstly, you're too sassy. You're full of too much anger. I feel like a man supposed to have more anger than me, respectfully. The females are here and I'm going to give you them honest opinion. And just because you not like it, I feel like you're supposed to disrespect them. Don't do that.
How much did you rate him from 1 to 10?
I'm not giving a rating to that early. That's disrespectful. I'm a female too.
Okay.
Let's done this.
Alright.
Boy, Rolly, she come out in a nice jersey like she a play rugby and she not worth it, you know. Father, look on her smile like you swipe a catch right. Is it? Look at this, Rolly. You don't do that, father. Is it? I wasn't being disrespectful. Did I diss you? No.
She just a say.
No, because she had made what others a say. Is
Again,
it?
just calm down.
Calm down or calm up?
Calm down.
No, you don't decide how me live my life.
Sound retarded. You sound retarded.
I am. And how much?
Just
Come down to the side, Maji. Bro. Remember, say the female there, and I'm going to give them honest opinion.
Okay.
Yeah? So you can't just to take it personal, yeah?
No, I wouldn't take it personal.
Alright, so just
Aren't we here to have fun?
No, we're here to fall in love.
Okay.
Yes.
Well, love the two foreigner only.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kenny's. He's just not my type of nigga. Cause he film sass hotter than mine and very disrespectful, so he's just not my type of nigga.
Oh, film sauce hotter than yours.
Yes.
And your sauce hot.
Yeah, and when he fire out, he out. So me not have nothing more to say.
Alright. How much you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
Big 0. You're going far to disrespect woman. Cause you talk to the girl, them might be honest. I if you be honest today, would like it.
Go ahead.
Me not gonna be honest today, right?
Go ahead.
No, but yeah,
Go
can
ahead.
pass on.
Alright. What do you think about what she have to say, Maji?
Well, she have a chandelier upon her face.
Wow.
And see it and boy, face
I see
rolling.
man like it.
Oh, she had with him up on her head. You have to fix that rolling, that not ready. You're a lady. Go act lady like no. Please.
I better if you
See
say
there?
something better. Yeah. Cause you really want to fix.
No, man.
And if you're my man and you come out like that, honestly to God, you have to go back in. Cause you're
No, I wouldn't want to be here, man, moms. You have to fix that with
you're
the
not
first.
ready.
You have to fix
I
that
can
with
buy
the
my
first.
wig.
No, I wouldn't want to buy your wig.
Okay.
What is that? What that wig the name?
I really want me to tell you when name. You want me to tell you how much me pay for it first?
Yeah.
At 46,000 feet. You can buy it.
Moms are drop shipping, mother. E-commerce. You know what is that? Is it? I sell them. I sell them, moms.
Just go on.
Is it?
You sell wig?
E-commerce, mother roll. I sell digital products.
I come into the side.
Oh.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Spider commercial break. Wait. One no.
Commercial break.
Yeah, commercial break.
Oh, she don't want to take on.
Alright, so based on him appearance, how much did I rate him though?
0.
Alright then.
I want mentality, mom.
What Spider says she's...
Talk about me talk, I want to do. So talk about it. Because you want to say something, you know.
Now I want Spider to big up herself, man.
Alright, go
You
on.
see, she come out in her nice dress and him look at in her coach bag, you know. Spider hatters. You see, Spider never go out today, but you know see she a hot girl in her real life. Just look for her, you know. She wear a little wig, a little bonnet and them thing there, tattoo them nice. Spider have to big up herself, you see it?
Alright.
This side, my G. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Well, Monique, him too sassy. But I don't know if I true him suit a black and you know wash for 3 days. And I say, yeah, a black, so you know, go show, but you could have cleaned up yourself a little better. And you see, next thing, I'm not going to really go deep down and disrespect you. Because guess what? You're not clean and you want disrespect people. You want argue with woman. That not ready. You see the band-aid thing, huh? I want to take a scissors and cut it off.
Do it. Do it. Do it then now. Do it.
You don't even have manners.
Do it.
You don't even have manners.
Man,
right
earth
now,
a gallows me have
right now,
arms a gallows me have.
And a pack of sod
Okay.
and a wire brush
Okay.
that do you good.
Okay, I know that. Me know that.
Trust me, I tell you, say, me would
Mom,
have
see chain a green up your neck. You come out like a church, you go. I wish my funeral the rolling.
And beard, you can trust me. You want beard.
Rolling. 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 Rolling.
Alright.
Rolling.
Hey.
You disrespect people and you want
Alright.
beard.
Watch you now.
No.
Them offer.
Sod away,
Alright.
sod.
Alright.
She come out in this church.
Watch you now. On offer. Money, don't know. Level. Money, don't know.
My shoes are
Okay.
12 grand.
You could have got. You could have up the prices still. You could have up the price. That 12 grand alone. You could have paid for that.
Me need, you know, for be respectful. We come out for find love. Me know,
Disrespect people like that, but trust me.
Me
You
not-
see you?
me and on half.
I just want to grab you and be there, so.
Alright.
You know, not about
Alright.
me not disrespect people.
Alright. Watch you now.
That one look sod, a back of Ajax, please.
Watch you
Wire
now.
brush.
Alright, so the female them without a balloon walk with grace, mama, please. My G, mama talk to you. You see? At the end of the day, you have to understand, so the female them have a type, and them have a talk with them honest truth. You see it? Sometimes we hear things and we feel like it's disrespectful and think, oh, it's say.
Yeah.
You have to just let them know, say, yo, you feel away. You know, talk it out.
Yeah.
You don't have to attack back, you see me?
Yeah.
Good? Yeah, because this is not a war vibes, a love.
May I get interview? Calm down, please. Okay, I say rolling.
Love where I deal with it. See it? I don't want the people them think say everybody come on the show.
Just
But
to disrespect people. But
no.
come on,
Love.
do better than that. Suppose you don't know if I'm rich. You don't know if I'm poor. You don't know if me have this. You don't know if me have that. But yet still y'all want to judge. That's not an honest opinion. Come on now. Look at me, cause a flashy man name want roll. You see me like this? You don't know if I can pop out and show niggas, cause come on, you don't know me. You wanna judge people and a court me come.
Okay.
I didn't come to court. Why you judge me though?
Oh, so basically you feel away you say them a judge you.
Yeah, why
Wrongfully.
not judge me? Why not
Based
know if I
on
can
what you
pop
have
out?
on.
Yeah.
Okay. So your feelings hurt that you
You
saying.
mad never hurt, roll. You mad and food in a pocket. Come on now, Rolly.
But you try to defend yourself. That you are say.
Yeah.
It's not necessary. Some you know females are gonna talk. Is it? Good? So it wasn't a much to the my G.
Yeah.
Walk with grace. Yeah.
Walk with grace.
Yeah. Alright, remember, the studio that I'm at right now is GG Studio, Town Center, alright? When you're there at Portmore, when you take passport size picture to the, what kind of landscape, photo, portrait, everything you do, GG Studio, you see Town Center, when you don't know, reasonable. And I don't know, dibby. You're comfortable, AC, a kick and thing. It's like a lifestyle thing, you see it? Remember my birthday party? 24 October. People, when I ask me flyer, like, ask me for a flyer again. Help me promote this. You see me? For the people them who are fly down feet, I'm grateful. Thank you so much. You see it? And the people them who are come from country, big up on yourself. You see it? Females, are you ready? Yeah! Females, when I come a party? Yeah! No, I got to not scream for on the door already. Yeah. All right. We're ready for the next meal, right? All right then. Bring him to this, please. We can't wait. Him need for the inner frame first. Please. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Thank you. Bring him to this side. Come to this side, Maji. Right, sir? Introduce yourself. All right. Introduce yourself.
Hi, ladies. Good night. My name is Durod.
Hi. All right. When it comes down to a female, though, like, what's your type, my G?
Well, browning.
Oh?
Browning.
Okay. Browning. All right.
Thing both.
What type of work do you do?
I'm a landscaper, you know.
Landscaping. All right. And what's like an ideal first date for you to bring a girl on?
Like at the Rio place like that.
Oh, any dinner settings and thing?
5-star.
5-star hotel?
Yeah.
5-star restaurant?
5-star restaurant.
Okay. All right. What's like a red flag when it comes on to female that you don't like?
What I don't like?
Mm-hmm.
Well, quite a few things, you know.
You can get some volume?
Oh, volume?
Yeah.
Oh, quite a few things.
All right, yeah.
Mm.
Can get one?
Yeah.
We can get one?
Yeah.
All right.
Honesty.
That's a red flag? You're not like an honest female?
No, I'm like an honest female.
No, but may I say, what's a thing that you don't like about a female? Like, normally, like a red flag is something that you don't like.
Okay.
That's a turn off.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, like she telling me that she's gonna check me and she don't turn up.
Oh, like she tell us that she gonna come look for you,
Yeah.
and she not show up.
Yeah, she don't show
And you prepare and clean up the place
and
and
fix up and all them things there, you know.
Okay. All right then. Shout out your social.
Oh, One Do Road Entertainment.
All right. So we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the ballon. All right.
Okay, no problem.
You're kind of nervous, Maji.
Well, it's my first time, you know, so
I understand.
yeah. When it's your first time, you have to just
yes.
behave like normal, you know.
All right. So we're gonna start with this side. All right.
No problem.
All right. Hold on. Your name, social, why you pop your balloon?
Well, my name is Money. TikTok, Wicked Girl. Instagram, why be a bad girl. And why I pop my balloon? Because him same like browning and me a blackening. This so, no further. Well.
Oh, yeah, I'm blackening.
Yeah. Him outfit, I give him a 4.
4 out of 10?
Yeah.
Why you give him a 4 though?
Well, I don't like him shoes because it have red in there and him not have a red up there, so. Yeah.
Oh, like.
Him colorful. I don't like the red thing there. Because him not have a red up there, so. Him not even have on something in a white.
Oh, so you're saying him too colorful?
Yeah.
Right. So that's how you give him a 4?
Yeah, that's
Is he a type though?
No.
No? All right, my G.
Yeah, my type. Because him say my browning, me a blackening.
Oh, so anybody, if you are for them.
Blackening. My browning. Stay with the browning, me a blackening.
All right then. My G, what do you think about she based on what she said and how much you rate her?
Yeah, I'm gonna give her about 5.
5 out of 10?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Let me get some volume here, my G.
Yeah, man. 5 out of 10.
5 out of 10. Why you give her 5 though?
Well, she speak her mind and it what it is, you know. So that it is.
That it is.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, come to this side, right, so.
Okay.
Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Spider, Instagram. Oh. Insane like browning, me black. So yeah.
Oh, so you're black.
Yeah, and you like browning.
And how much you rate him from 1 to 10?
3.
3 out of 10, why 3?
I just 3.
All right. Based on her appearance, how much should I rate her? And what you think about what she have to say?
Well, she have her opinion, so she give me 3. Wish the score what I will give her 4. That is it.
Why you give her 4
No big
though?
deal about
Why
that.
you give her 4?
Hmm?
Why you give her 4?
Well, what she say, she I said browning and she's not brown, so she have that opinion what I said, so that is it.
Aye.
Down to the side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kenny's. Reason pop my balloon cause him not an image. Him not my style nigga.
Not an image.
No.
You can't see him have style.
That not ready. Not ready at all, but me like give him 1 2.
2 out of 10?
Yeah.
Because I'm image.
Mm-hmm.
So if him change everything right now, like what him have on, you feel like him would get a better?
Maybe if he come back in something where make sense, then we rate him one better way. But for now, 1 2.
But you know say this makes sense?
This not make sense. His shoes alone do him out. And then he act go where act match pan this. He act no match nothing pan this.
Alright. What you think about what she have to say and based on her appearance, how much did I rate her?
What you say she give me?
She give her 2.
Well, me give her 3.
Okay, thanks.
That is it.
Alright? Good. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Keita. Oh, sorry. My name is Keita. Just somebody for the spar with. I feel like it's not really not my style.
Oh, it's not your style, him just look like somebody for.
Yeah, okay, so I spar.
Okay. Based on him appearance, how much did I rate him?
I'm not going to lie. This is the color coordination is not. It's not really coloring. It's too colorful. So 3.5.
3.5.
I'm not gonna lie. Yeah.
3.5.
Everything just mismatched.
Mismatch.
Okay.
My G, what you think about the comment you make about your mismatch?
Well, what I would say, I never know about a score name 3.5. Know about 3, 2, 4, 5, 6. And she said 3.5.
No, like it near to 4.
Okay. And she said 3.5. Well, give her 2 then. That is it.
2 and give her 2 out of 10?
That's fine.
It's fine. Come to the side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
I'm terrible. Pop my balloon because him same like browning. And I'm dark. Yeah, that's it.
Alright. What you think about his appearance?
Alright, for this attire, it now work out, but you look like you can fix. You see me? Mother buy your outfit. Well, not with my money, but mother choose your outfit them and them thing there. Cause you're cute, I like your eyes. You don't seem as confident. Yeah, mother make you work on that too. But yeah.
Or say I say him can fix him clothes plus him confidence. You can do that?
Yeah, if him did like my type, you see me?
So you fix up a man and
Yeah.
mold him in a year.
Yes, him look like him can more. Let's see it.
How much did I rate him, I say?
Would I give 5 out of a 10? You're not much. Look like you just, didn't rush and come out, but you look like you can fix.
Alright. What do you think about she have to say about you can fix it? You agree with her? So you can fix?
She's smart, man.
Eh?
She's smart.
She's smart.
Yeah, cause what she say, also you go with you.
You just jump out, though.
Rush.
Yeah,
Never.
and you
I
never did a
never
mix.
plan. No.
I
Never
know
plan
them
it.
way
Yeah.
But you can fix it, you that make a girl fix you.
Him look like him would have cute in a one jacket suit.
Like a one.
Yeah, you know them jacket suit and no, yeah. Them nice jacket suit there, yeah. One of that would have fit you.
What do you think about her based on her appearance? How much did I rate her?
Tell her the truth. The way how she talk, me like that. Yeah, that's a good speech. So I would say, we give her a 7.
Thank you.
Yeah,
7?
you're welcome.
Alright, down to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
My name is Black British, and the reason why I'm a pop a balloon because him say him not like black dark skin girl, no browning, and me and a browning. So no, and not only that, oh boy, him dress code, dressing, no matter how you're late for something, you should have, even if you look for yourself, I better you late than never, cause you come to see other type of girl and you want impress them, or you know you want to look clean cause you got the in front of the camera, you know all of that, and then again you leave them dry, you coulda get some and you leave them. Sorry, I'm sorry. I like him eyes them. I like him eyes. It alright. I like him eyes. Him not ugly. He's not ugly, but I just a dress code and him lip them. But him just want to fix that sweater. I say him want to fix.
Alright.
I believe him can fix.
How much you rate him again?
Alright. Only because I'm I'll give him 5.
5.
Yeah.
Margie, what do you think about what she have to say?
Well, what she say? Me rate what she say, you know?
Oh yeah, I agree with her. Yeah.
Man, true.
No matter how you're late, I remember a whole heap of girl, a nice girl that come see, so you have to make sure say, no matter. I'll you call him and say, Dad, I'm late now, I fix up myself, you know, and they have to understand. Yeah.
Yeah? Alright. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, I would give her a 6, you know?
6 out of 10.
Thank you.
Alright, come down to this side, Maji. Yes, sir? Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I'm Avatar, and I pop the balloon because I'm a beautiful dark-skinned girl. I'm not brown. So it makes absolutely no sense that I keep my balloon.
Oh, you're not changing.
No, I'm not changing.
Okay. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him... I'm going to give him... For the effort, I'm going to give him a 5. But the thing is, he has a very humble spirit. I can see it. And for that, it's a plus for me. So I'm going to give him a 7 just because him humble. He's not disrespectful. And him just accept whatever.
Okay. Is he your type though? Like a more humble?
Humble, yes. But pertaining to the physicality of it, no.
Okay. What do you think about what she have to say? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
I like your shoes, by the way.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah.
Well, tell her the honest truth. Like you talk fair and square, you know? So the score, what you give me 7. So I will just give you back 7 too.
That's fine.
Cool.
Good?
Yeah, man, that's good.
Alright, down to this side, Margie.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Alright. Alright, so the females without a balloon, walk with grace from them, please. Alright, this side. Come over here, Margie. Alright, so we got a female with a balloon, right? So what we're gonna do right now, we're gonna get to know her. We're gonna ask her a question. We're gonna see if there's a chemistry, alright?
Okay.
Okay, what's your name?
Kalia.
Alright, Kalia. I want him to ask you a question and you're gonna ask him back a question, alright?
Okay, that's fine.
You first, Margie.
Hello.
Hi.
Good night.
Good night.
What's your name again?
Kalia.
Okay. All right. What kind of sports do you like?
Like cricket, baseball, cricket, and like other type of sports like track and field, golf, those type of things. Yeah.
Ask him a question.
How old are you?
30?
30 how much?
36.
Oh. That's a little too old for me.
Hmm?
That's a little too old for me.
Well, I tell you the honest truth. No,
No,
tell you no
that's-
lie.
Well, it's better than the last guy, so I respect
And
that.
next month coming is my birthday.
So
The
you
other
turn
month.
37? Do you have any
November.
kids?
No.
You have a... Are you messy
Like?
with women? Like, are you lying about your first dates?
No, I don't no lie.
Are you wise with your money?
Well, at times.
At times. Okay. Alright, I don't know what else to ask.
You answer about the kids?
Oh, you have kids too?
No, you can't have kids there.
Well, I don't know. You ask me a question.
No, I don't.
And I'm answer back just like the way you answer me.
No, I don't have kids.
Okay.
Did he answer the kids' question?
Yes, I've said that I do not have kids.
No, him. You.
Yeah, you told me say not have
Yeah,
any.
me answer that.
Yeah.
All right. So, is there any more question you want to ask her? All right, go ahead.
Christian, would you like to ask her? Oh, what's your favorite dish?
I love seafood. So like sushi, shrimp, salmon.
Oh.
Yes, that's my favorite food.
You can ask me back.
What does like what's your day-to-day thing, or like what's one thing that you're working towards?
Well, I'm working towards a vehicle right now.
To what?
A transport.
To have in a car?
Hmm?
To have in a car? What about a home or something?
Well, home is not my priority because I have a home already.
Okay, that's fine.
You?
Me, well, that's a good question. I'm looking towards growing my career overall, and then from there I can see if I can scale it. Because I already have a lot of things, but what I'm trying to do is to move from having to having a lot more, like into that luxury type era, basically.
Okay.
Yeah.
All right.
Like what kind of work do you do?
I'm a model.
Whoa.
Yes.
All right. All right.
That?
Okay. Yes. When you get a chance to ask each other a question, not a light question, then more than ask the very important ones.
Okay.
Because we're gonna decide right now. Because I'm gonna ask my final question. All right.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Is it a match right here?
Sure.
So we have a match right now?
Sure.
It's a match for you?
Match for me.
It's a match for you? Is it a match for you?
No.
Oh, disappointed.
I mean, it's.
If I pop the ballon.
Dead.
Why did you pop your ballon?
Why? Because I think he's a kind guy, and overall, like he's nice and everything, respectful, but like he's just, not my type in that sense. And the color coordination, yeah, like that as well. Like you can have 4 different colors going on here, or 5 different colors. I just don't see him in my lifestyle, basically. But he's a nice guy. He will work well for someone else, but maybe not for me. Maybe at some other point, but for today, I can't see myself with him.
All right, so why you kept your balloon though?
Because overall, he was giving me a more respectful vibe towards the ladies, so I respected that. And he seems like a humble dude, but as I said, I'm not sure if we would vibe well together, especially because he's almost 40. So, yeah.
How old are you?
I'm in my early 20s.
Oh.
Yeah.
All right. Why? I swear I think it was a match.
20.
Yeah. Hold on. My bad. All right, my G. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
Tell her the truth. I would give her 8.
8 out of 10?
Alright, thank you.
What do you like about her? What do you like about her?
I like her feature, her outfit. She dressed too much. I dress too much. Me just hurry up and show and something. So.
Oh, so she dressed too much on you. So it's like
me mismatch.
Oh, so it's a sing thing. Opposite attract.
That is it.
Okay. What do you think about him? How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Alright, because you give me an 8, I'm gonna give him a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah.
Whoa. Alright, so it wasn't that much today. You have to walk with grace, alright? My G, like at first you're good.
No, I'm first time.
Oh, so your first time, you're kind of shy and thing. You feel like you're nervous?
No, it's minute.
But you're good now. You feel better now.
Well, me get the express and meet the girls them. So the first time. So I don't know the delay, you know.
Okay, all right then. So it wasn't that much today. You know what you have to do?
Yeah,
walk
I
with
have to
grace.
do my homework, you know.
Yeah, walk with grace.
And
Yeah,
it
my
would
friend.
be, and it would be more event coming up.
Okay.
So I will work with that.
Walk with grace for me now.
Yes, man. Respect.
All right, big up. Yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So
Make sure to leave a like. You see it? Subscribe below. Bring in the next meal for me now. Bring him to this side. Come to this side. Right, Summer G. Introduce yourself.
Yeah, I don't know. One body rolling. It's a Scars official panel platform.
Okay. What about job do you do?
Whatever it takes to survive.
Okay. Oh, so anything to get the bread?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And what's the type though when it comes down to a female?
No, but specific type, you know, is me.
Mhm.
Just personality matter. Is me where the ambition stand.
Mhm.
Yeah.
Oh, ambitious. You're like an ambitious girl.
Ambitious. Good personality, great connection.
And what's like a red flag when it comes down to a female though?
Red flag, whole heap.
Wally,
Whole heap,
give me
whole
one, just one I need loan me need.
Alright. Certain way where you dress.
Okay.
You see that kinda.
Yeah. Oh, you want a girl who can dress?
No, not really say can dress. Like certain things we wear.
Okay.
You see it.
Alright. And like give me like a first date. Perfect first date.
Perfect first date. The movie is me. The movie. Everyone knows can eat to ice cream and talk, get to know you. You see it, get to know me.
Alright. Shout out back your social.
Yeah, so Scars official panel platform. Look out for it.
Alright then. So we got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the balloon, alright?
Alright, come in now.
Alright, yeah. Right to some G. Right to some.
Yeah.
Come no. Yeah. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I'm terrible. And why I pop my balloon? A woman we say they will do anything for money, not man.
Never say we do anything for one. Say
Whatever it takes.
Not anything.
Whatever it takes, they just not sound
No,
good.
probably
To
I
me.
owe you think. Yes, me owe you intercept it.
Okay.
Can be, you know. Can be.
Oh, you hear it.
Yeah, can be all my ear.
Exactly.
My apologies.
Okay. Alright, how much you do rate it from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give you a 10 out of 10, to be honest.
What you like about him?
You're very neat. You're very well put together. I like your style.
Respect, thank you.
Alright. Is he your type though?
Hey, I like dark skin, you know, but him have a buzz. Yeah.
Alright, thank you.
How much you do rate it from 1 to 10?
10 out of 10, same way.
Thank
She come
you.
out. She come out, may I tell you.
Alright.
Respect.
Got a pop right here. Go down to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
The reason I'm popping balloon because most of the whole of the girls them say they pop them balloon and me not in a competition with nobody today. Tonight, please.
Oh, so you pop your balloon because other girls have them balloon?
Me not run the competition thing, sorry. But I'm insecure myself because I could get him, you know. But, but too much of them, I can't bother with that. Too.
But that not, me not understand.
You don't understand, really?
Yeah, but you
Too much girl do not bust them balloon.
But you don't know if I you the man I gonna keep like.
Me don't know, I just don't never, me couldn't bother with that competition thing there. Sorry.
I saw competition, I got no for road. You know, run here.
Alright.
I'm too much stress right now, really.
So your chest, I'm look like a problem?
I never say, I'm not judging you, so you look like a problem. I'm just say, you all of the girl, them the bust them balloon.
How much how much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
10, 100. Everything about him clean, well groomed, he look good. But I'm not gonna look a problem still, I'm not judging.
Alright. What do you think about she? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, man, first things first, I love her personality. You see, I love her, it connect. You see, I see him some jovial and stay too. You see it. Shut up. She look good, 10 out of 10, same way.
See that? See that?
Yeah, me look at outer road.
Okay. Come to this side. Come to this side. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hey, I'm Keitha. It's not my. You look good in it. You're okay. You fit. You know it's on point. You look good.
What you do rating from 1 to 10?
Yeah, 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
What do you think about her based on her appearance?
Alright, so her appearance, I give her a 7.5. Is it? She alright. Is it me? She have a calm personality, calm observant, you know. Yeah, man.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright. This side. Right here. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Kenny's. Him look nice and not too much. Me can't share.
Hold on there, baby. I want make mosquito bite on my neck, so.
But me single now.
Icky there by your neck?
Yeah. You don't see Rolly?
No?
Yeah. Or a mosquito?
No, but me single in a real life, but me I tell you say, yeah.
Aye.
Can't take a competition.
Okay.
Me run girl foot hot. Yeah, so. Me I
Okay.
give her a 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah.
Alright, I give her a 7 same way. She look good same way, you see me? Big up yourself, man. Watch your
Aye.
face.
Alright. Okay. Alright, so the female without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Go up more, go up more, go up more. Alright, give me this. Give me the pick. Alright, my G.
Yeah.
So right about now, you're gonna get this. Right? Good. And you're gonna pop 2 female balloon right now.
Father God. So we can turn back and just pop them.
No, you have to pop 2 female balloon. Whoa, 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 whoa. Don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move, don't move. Bring to this side. Come right here, sir. Your name?
Kalia.
Alright, so Kalia. Why did you keep your balloon?
Because he dressed properly. Basically, that's all.
That's all? How much should you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
Like a 8.
8 out of 10?
Yeah.
Is he your type?
No, it's not my type. It's could be, but not my type.
Why you pop her balloon?
Alright, I pop balloon based on how she looks. She seems like a person where she just look too nice to me. You see me? She feel like say yo. She just look too like she look too good for me. You see me? Yeah, I feel like say I don't know, I don't want to hurt you. Yeah.
If that's your opinion, then fine.
How much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
You want me to give her 8 out of 10?
8 out of 10?
Yeah, man, she come out.
It wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me, please. This side. Alright, why you kept your balloon first? Why you kept your balloon all along?
Well, I keep my balloon because, trust me, you look nice. Yeah, I'm ready, but trust me, I'm not gonna keep up with that flashy look, you know?
Yeah.
Because from my opinion, you can't see same flashy. And you see, me a rebel. Yeah.
Okay.
I'm no one for war, nobody.
How much?
I'm a Leo girl. Yeah. Social media, wicked girl.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
Well, I gotta give him 10, you know. Trust me, because him look beard and clean and nice. But guess what? I keep my balloon because you see the flashy type thing. I'm not gonna panic.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
And we just board a taxi or a bus.
What do you think about her based on her appearance? How much should I rate her?
Alright. She come out, you see me, I love her Air Force. Yeah, it matched the suit her she have on. She look good and everything. But the reason why I'm popping balloon really and truly it's just a thing about me. But you see when a woman kinda
Taller than
above
you.
me, I just feel threatened, I feel like say, you see me, so yeah, just that. Is it what you alright? I just I go feel threatened.
Okay.
Imagine yeah, bad me up and me I look so.
Yeah.
You see me?
Exactly.
Alright, then it wasn't that much today. Walk with grace for me, please. Alright, my G. We're down to 2 right now. What you gonna do? They're gonna ask you a question and we're gonna see if they're gonna stay, alright?
Alright.
1 question. What's his question?
You the dude one stripper? Yeah, may I ask him.
Question is strong, you know, just mood that question I need that. Alright, really and truly, I would, but you see, because of certain circumstances, like for instance, you know, how my mom stay, she not go accept that. Me that go tell her a lie, I'm gonna really tell my mother lie, so it just not go.
Is that no?
Yeah. I know.
So you have a follow-up question to that?
No, man, not a question.
All right. Why you kept your balloon?
Cause him look good. Yeah. Have it.
Have it. And why you asking that question though?
Because he's an entertainer.
Oh, you're an artist.
Yeah, me
Like boss?
pole dancing me do. That's why I'm asking.
Okay. Okay. Me never know. Oh, bro, me need for up to the time, bro. For real. All right. How much you do rate if I'm on to 10, you say?
8.
You thought of 10? What you think about she? Much you da rate her?
You want me to get the same mate, you know?
Alright.
Look alright.
Walk with grace. It wasn't that much here. Right, so some G? Whoa. Alright, so we're down to one right now, alright? You're gonna get to ask her one question and then I'll ask my final question, alright?
Alright.
You didn't get to ask him a question though. Alright, one question from you and one question from you, alright? Let's go.
Alright. What is a relationship to you?
It depends on the type of relationship. You have to be specific.
Alright. A relationship that, you and the person that be dedicated to each other. How you normally go about that?
Alright, it all depends on the person and the connection I have with the person. So
Mhm.
it varies.
You and the person want serious relationship.
Serious
Got it.
relationship.
Mhm.
Alright. Like me as a romantic guy is me loving, me caring, considerate, passionate is me. Like you get everything where a man supposed to get from me is me. Me treat her good, everything is me. Yeah.
Alright then.
Yeah? What's the question for her?
Alright, so what do you do for a living?
I am an entertainer.
Okay.
No, a joke.
A joke. A joke shall make. A joke shall make. A joke shall make.
No, it's a good one.
Alright then. Why you kept the balloon all along?
Because he look nice and he put himself together.
Thank you.
And
Appreciate
why you
it.
pop her balloon?
I'll come back to the same thing again, like
You know want to know if you're gonna bring her home to your mother and thing.
yeah. So I just that I have a problem I'm up with her,
But are you an entertainer though?
No, I'm not. It was just a joke.
Okay.
I'm not.
What a serious joke to run.
I'm not.
Are you sure?
I'm positive.
Such is life, and I don't pass.
Okay. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I give her a 10 out of 10. She come out. You see me?
I'll give him a 10 too.
Is she a type though?
Yeah, somebody I would talk to. Yeah, man, definitely.
Is he a type?
The only thing that I don't like is just that him just dark skin. He's not dark skin. Yeah,
Okay.
but apart from that, you look nice.
Well, if I think that where the sun
too.
does shine, baby, don't worry yourself.
Alright.
You want back a balloon, G? You want to get back a balloon?
No, man, it good, man.
Okay. Alright, wasn't that much today? Walk with grace, woman. My G, you know run serious joke. She say a joke she make.
No, probably that one of my biggest downfall, like
You know run joke like you
Sir.
take things serious.
most of the time.
Like you're serious about certain things.
Yeah.
You know cross certain borders.
No, sir.
Understand. Wasn't that much today, my G? John, no.
So one of them day, you know.
You yeah.
Shit.
Bro.
Watch your face, man. Big up yourself, you know.
Walk with grace,
Oh.
woman. Oh my gosh, somebody just subscribed. Oh gosh, I love you. Can I give you a hug? Please. Oh, I know. I'm going to see you in a purse. So you're going to come to my party, so I need to give you a hug. Good? The general, I'm all on this. Yeah. But now figure to you know, because I'm here now, cause I wanna come on, it's the ladies. Them argue with me if I'm gonna give them the hug, okay? Females, are you ready? Yeah! the vibes and energy in Portmore. And you need to tell me which part next one I want to go. You see it? Because we did it if you say it, you know? Yeah. Females, are you ready? Let's bring in the next male, all right? Bring him to this side. All right, please, like, right here. Wait until him there right here, so yeah? Come to this side.
Hello, ladies.
Introduce yourself.
Stinger Dan Panel Media.
Stinger Dan. All right, what type of work do you do?
Work and travel. Work on cruise ship.
Okay, all right. And what's your type, though, when it comes down to a female?
No, say the type thing, don't really look for the type. Or just personality. You know, you have to take care of yourself and carry yourself good.
Oh, so you like a personality, like you go off of that.
Yeah.
So physical appearance, no.
That is it.
All right. And like, what's an ideal first date for you? For you bring a girl?
Show me a traveler, you know, say, if them could have traveled me, I bring them with me go up on a date, like all DR, because I love that Monica, you know.
Oh, so,
Yeah.
so you bring a girl a DR for your first date?
If them can't travel, I find a place in Jamaica, the ends off.
Okay, all right.
Depends on where they want to go, you see it?
Yeah. And what's like a red flag when you not like about a female?
A red flag?
Yeah.
A red flag, women are like about a female.
Yeah.
Not like girl too friendly.
If them too
friendly with too much male, but you can have a male friend, nothing wrong with that.
But
the
how much?
Too friendly thing when I depend on that.
How much male friend is too much for you?
More than few.
More than two?
More than few.
More than two. If them have more than two male friends.
Yeah.
All right. So we just want to show to the social, and we didn't get a pop, so we're gonna find out who's them up. Come on, man. Come on.
Normal pre, man.
Show to the social for me now.
Yeah, man. On Instagram, Stinger Dan. TikTok, Stinger Dan.
All right.
All media, Stinger Dan.
Stinger, got some pop. We're gonna find out why them pop the ballon, all right?
My boss.
All right, yes, sir. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Hi, Keitha. My name is Keitha. Just not my, well, you seems okay. You look nice. If it's, yeah, a 9, you look good. Just a ear. Please, you could have at least call me before you come. No, no disrespect, but you're good. I don't know what I feel when you become a bust the balloon.
No, man. I read like free baby girl.
No.
All right. Is he your type, though?
No.
Okay. What do you think about her based on what she say and her appearance?
No, I hear thing that you she say. I hear a problem. We are man, we have to look crab up some of the time, you see? Because we can't do one a year. But you don't know. No, have a problem with that.
Okay.
Yes, half a wish I say.
All right. How much should I rate her from 1 to 10, though?
I give her a 7.
7 out of 10? What you like about her?
I like about her. Like her complexion. Yeah. She's active still.
Yeah?
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right. Down to this side. Oh. Had an emergency. So she had to leave. All right, people? Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Monique from Black British.
All right. Why you pop your balloon?
Alright, the reason I pop my balloon, but not a problem with you. You look good. You look good. I like your list tongue because maybe true, Yeah.
Why I like him, Lizda?
Because I have list tongue, you go. Him go on, I like him, but I don't know, just pop my balloon.
What you mean you like him, but you not?
I
No.
like him, I just pop my balloon running, you know already say, look how much of them that pop them balloon running.
No, you keep. So
I joke, I make a joke, but well, him just like somebody would like par with no relationship, but somebody would get a par with because we can par with him and then it turn out yeah, because him nice and him alright.
Okay, all right.
Like the chain thing that I like them chain there. I hear a thing if me hear for them, but I work with the same way, but I never me for go me if you know that chain.
Another chain, oh.
Yeah, and then your ear tall, not really tall, but it's alright. But
You like
you just
that?
need to comb my hair. That's all.
All right, what do you think, bro?
And It's a travel thing them, me love travel. Because my always whatever, I go small island. So that there are some of there that work perfectly, but me just making go on. What maybe one next time. Maybe I'm looking what I do.
Okay. Okay. What do you think about her based on her appearance? And what she said?
First, she said she not like my chain. Yeah. When time I go Guyana, I buy that chain still. For it to come from. So, I just like it. I not take it off from I put
nothing
it
wrong with
on.
the chain, babes.
Yeah,
Nothing
man,
wrong, but I'm just
understand.
saying, if we are go out, mood why you wear it.
Yeah, more
Yeah, because I hear it. If me want you, me work with the chain, but
But him can put it on them shirt though.
me still don't know say because it got more push out in the under shirt, so I know you might have on the same way.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her 8.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Is she a type though?
Personality is so not right, but not really. Not really.
Why?
Okay.
Why?
Yeah.
Not really have no problem with it, but can't put it, We don't forget to know her more. You see it? Yeah. But you don't know when I style the girls in no time.
Good boy, that's why I
No
like
time.
you.
Yeah.
Alright. Okay, come down to the side. Okay, alright. How much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though?
Would I give him a 9? A 9.
9 out of 10?
Yeah, because I love the job with him, though.
The job make you give him a 9.
Yeah, because he work on cruise ship, who don't want to work on it too. Sorry, me a link you at the door. Go give me a link.
Okay.
Go on.
Come on to this side. We just got up up. Whoa. Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
I'm Monique. The reason why I pop my balloon, him nice, clean and everything now, but he might go too shy for me. You know them way there? Him have a soft mind. Yeah. Him nice, don't get me wrong.
But him seem shy to you.
Him seems shy. And trust me, you see, sometimes me have a little ruling in me. Yeah.
So you're ruling?
Trust me. Yeah. I don't want to take up nobody. Boy, people I heard them like that because sometimes my head chip come back, toxic. Yeah.
Oh, so you feel like you'd rule him if you're there with him?
Trust me, yeah. Would I put it that way? Because guess what? The shyness, him soft, him nice everything, trust me, him nice, Yeah. I like his style. Yeah, but
Okay, how much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
well, more I give my 8.
You thought a 10?
Yeah.
Alright. What do you think about her and her appearance? What do you think about what she have to say also?
She said she's shy, looks so deceiving. Yeah, but her appearance, she active. She look like a cheerleader. Like she could have gone and cheer for me when I play ball, on the sideline.
Yeah.
Yeah, but she active still. Yeah.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
I give her a 7.
7 out of 10?
Yeah, 7 out of 10.
You don't have no problem with her height?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah.
Alright. Alright.
Okay, give thanks.
Alright, so females without a balloon, walk with grace for me, please. Alright, my G. We're down to 4 females right now, alright? So you're gonna pop 1 female balloon based on appearance, and then you're gonna ask each of them a question, alright? Let's get a pick. This is where you so pop 1 female based on appearance. Alright, stay.
Yeah.
Your name?
Kenny's.
Alright, Kenny's. Why you kept your balloon?
I don't know about
Kenny's, why you keep your balloon?
I don't know what make me keep it with you. I believe it possible, but like, I don't know.
He does never feel for pop it.
No.
Alright then. How much would you rate it from 1 to 10 though? What do you think about his appearance?
I'm like give him a 7, but one thing when I like, I just say here, it bother me.
Understood.
Yeah. But, yeah, no, my type of thing I do, but I can't pass.
Understood.
Why did you pop her balloon?
That's based on appearance. Her appearance on 300, you know. But she alright. She could have par with my belief.
Oh, par with you on the
Yeah.
passenger seat.
Yeah.
Alright. How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
That girl 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Thanks.
Thanks.
Mm.
Alright, wasn't that much today? Work with Grace for me now, please. Come down to this side. Alright, my G, it's down to the question side, alright? You're gonna ask each of them a question and you're gonna see if there's a chemistry. Please ask the serious question, alright? What's your name?
Spider.
The spider. First mode I want to know what kind of job you do?
Dancing.
Dancing. You have any kids?
No.
Are you there because you're single?
You right?
Alright.
Alright, good?
Yeah.
Down to this side. Your name?
Kalia.
Hello, Kalia.
Hi.
What kind of job you do?
I do modeling and I also have a business.
What kind of business?
It's hair business and other stuff, yeah.
What kind of business?
Here and
Here?
other stuff, yeah, digital stuff, yeah.
The girl them have problem with me here.
Yes,
So you
we
do lock
do.
into?
I don't do that type of hair.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah.
Alright.
Your name again?
Kalia.
Kayla look alright. Look nice.
Come down to this side.
Hello.
Your name?
I'm Terry.
Terry.
Mm-hmm.
Can I job with Terry?
I am a video talent. I do music video and I do acting as well.
Oh. You travel? You ever travel before?
Yes, I do.
Which part have you been?
I've been to Tortola.
Tortola?
Yeah. One of the British Virgin Islands.
Oh.
Mm-hmm.
Good?
Look nice.
Alright. Down to this side. Alright, my G. Based on the answer that you got, right?
Yeah.
I'm gonna allow you to pop one female balloon, alright?
Look like you don't believe in yourself. So.
Pop one female balloon. You have the pick, right?
She bust her balloon.
What? Let's go down to this side. Why you pop your balloon?
I think both of them have better chemistry, so I'm leaving her for him. Yeah.
What do you mean by that? Why you that take out yourself? What? How do you know that he's not gonna choose you?
I don't know, but we're not going there. We're not gonna risk it.
Alright. So why you kept your balloon though?
Because he looks alright, he looks fine. The only thing I don't like is hair. That's the only thing I don't like. The hair is bothering me. But aside from that, he's okay. Like he's good and everything. He also has a nice face and everything. Yeah.
How much you do rate him from 1 to 10?
And plus, he said me alright. Me can't deal with that. So me have to follow for that. Yeah.
You just remember.
You have to give me a big rating. You can't just say me alright. So I'm not your type, so you're not my type either.
How much would you rate him from 1 to 10?
I 8 because of the hair. We can't give him more than the 8.
Oh, that's...
Is he your type?
If he did come properly with the hairstyle, then perhaps, maybe.
My G, why you pop? No, you're not pop her balloon and she pop her balloon. Jeez, miss. Alright, my G. How much would you rate her from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give her a 9. 9, but I'll give her a 9. Wow.
See that? Is she a type?
She could have passed with type is.
You're
But
saying
she
me
not
could have
confident
passed.
in her.
You
She
say
not
me could have
confident
passed.
in herself.
No, me have to pass with flying colors. You understand? So you can't. You see how other guy them come in and say they want me. Him not give me that vibe. There, so I have to pop him. Yeah.
Or you want a guy where sure you say them want you?
Yeah, 100%. Cause if you're not into me like that, I can't into you. Mm-mm. I have to be the star, and then we can see if me and you can work out. You know? Mm-hmm.
Yeah? How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
Yeah, the 9 already, man.
9 already.
Nah, change it.
Alright, it wasn't that much today. Or could Grace for me, please? Come down to this side, mama. Yeah. Alright, so it's down to them to ask you a question, alright, my G? Good? Alright then. You can ask them as much question as possible, alright? Ready? Ask them a serious question, them like, hey, you know, yeah? Ready?
You're the one girl with the OnlyFans?
We do OnlyFans.
Mm-hmm.
Why? Not even know if it's about that, but unless I'm here, I got to be sure.
That wasn't a good answer.
Me ask him something and I saw him to answer it.
What was the answer?
It's either yes or no.
So that sound like a yes to me.
He want to be him alone. Suppose me.
No, what you mean? Suppose you what?
Me done this so he balloon boss.
Okay, alright. So she has say your answer wrong, my G.
Yeah.
Is it?
Yeah.
Why you kept the balloon all along?
Because him match him. He come like he have something that they so.
Where? No, him face if you look pan spider.
Me I look all over.
So that's why you keep your balloon?
Yeah.
Because you watch.
Not really, but he come like saying put that angling up. You know, better than so.
So the only fans answer, you never like it.
No.
So the question never connect good.
Right.
So you want him to say he would allow you to do other person like
No,
only
allow me for the OnlyFans, yes. They with me if me are the OnlyFans.
with other person?
And him.
Other person and him.
Jaja.
Me not say yeah. Him not go there. Remember say me do it with other people too. But you have to accept that. So yeah, you can't expect me go start with you. Me start already.
Oh, so you're not gonna stop. It just gonna continue with him on the side.
No, it go continue with him, but you can't say me I start with him. Yeah,
Okay, already happened. So you're not gonna just done with them people there.
exactly.
You understand?
I understand, but don't know so come from these 10 homes. And if me introduce her to my mother. Where's my
Everything
mother?
about madam.
My mother, yeah, my mother, everything there, girl. How she a go? Come here now. Yeah, my boss, you come from decent too. I know some mother not gonna really accept certain things in her yard, you see?
Yeah, your mother.
Yeah.
Alright. Good.
If you introduce her to my mother and some mommy,
Oh, she got
my woman this, you know.
and
you
your
see?
mother got asked what
But
she do.
Yeah, mother go, you know, no, your mother stay.
Okay.
They want to know the full 100
Okay.
details. And
Alright then. So I have one female right now with a balloon, alright? So what you guys are gonna do right now, you guys are gonna bounce question off of each other, right? So you're gonna ask him a question, he's gonna ask you a question, and we're gonna see if you guys have chemistry, alright? If he's your match, if she's your match, alright? Good? Who wanna go first? Him? Alright? You, my G.
no remember me ask you. But you have no kids? You did say no though?
Yes, I'm a mother. No, you did not ask me, but I'm a mother of 2 boys.
Oh, 2 boys?
Yes.
How old are your kids?
How old?
Yeah.
One is 9 and one is 11.
One is 9 and one is 11. Oh.
My time? You have kids?
No.
Okay. What's your view on relationship?
My view on relationship. I feel just they're there for me. You know? If you see me I do something you know like, you just talk to me. Me do us. Yeah.
All right, makes sense. Any more questions?
Any more question? I don't really have no question about it. She active. Look like I'm on matches from morning.
Yeah, look like a match.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. I wanna ask my question. Like you guys are rushing it, you know? Alright, so okay, let me ask, alright? Any more question for her?
We find out there's a thing them now longer run. Yeah.
Okay.
Michael, you no rush ya. That me did I look out for. I love when man no rush him. Alright, that's
Any more question for him?
no, that's good.
That's it.
Yeah.
Alright, so I'm gonna ask, alright? Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, my dog. She active, man.
Alright? Is it a match for you?
Yes.
It's a match for you?
Yes.
It's a match for you? Yes! So we have a match! Yo, we have a match! Yo, I'll get up, so can't get the hug. No! Yeah!
Squeeze up the bucket right now. Oh my God.
Yo!
Yeah, active, man.
Alright, so we have a match. Alright, walk with Grace from there. Oh. Yo! Live boss, did you see that, bro? Yo!
You squeeze that ass, bro.
Live boss.
Oh.
Them see that?
Yeah, they see.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah.
I'm think them never. Okay.
They see,
Alright,
bro.
then. Wait there. Please like the video. May I wait? Alright, people, watch your man. Don't forget, if you want to purchase ticket for my party, it's at Mecca. You see it? If you don't know where Club Mecca be, like Google it. Alright? Google is free because I don't want it to last. Okay? Yeah. In the description, in the comment section, the link will be there. So you click on the link and it will bring you straight to purchase a ticket. Alright? If you want a physical ticket, link me up. Alright? I can give you a physical ticket if you not have no credit card and thing like that. October the 24th. It named Pop It Pop. Really so easy. First birthday, celebration, birthday, bash, party. What? I've never gotten a party before. So this is my first party. So let's turn up, people! Yeah! Alright then. So we're gonna bring in the last male. Alright, let's go. Come to this side. Come to this side. Come to this side. Introduce yourself.
My name is Orlando JR on TikTok and Instagram.
Orlando.
I play football.
Okay. Oh, that's the
TikToker also.
that's your profession?
Yeah.
Okay, you're a footballer.
Yeah.
Alright, and what's your type though when it comes down to a female? Can I get some volume?
Well, my type refer to basically, let me say, personality, characteristics, and features. You see me I say?
Okay.
So the personality is what gets me. Features is what really, and the characteristics are the personality, which just hold me, you know.
Okay. So
yeah.
it's a combination of both.
Yeah.
Alright then. And like what's the ideal first date for you to bring a female?
First date, can go to a restaurant, you know, pay for the dinner. And after that, you can go home. I will take stock and we'll go somewhere else after.
Oh, dinner's on you?
Yeah.
Okay. And you have a budget when it comes down to the first date?
Nah.
Unlimited?
Unlimited.
Okay. Alright. Alright. What's a red flag when it comes down to a female?
Why? Personality.
Oh.
So for me, you represent me as you represent yourself. You see me I say?
Yeah.
So if you can't present yourself, you can't present me. So that's me.
Sound good. Sound good. Alright, so what more you do? Shout out the social again.
My social is Orlando JR on TikTok and Instagram.
Alright. So we got one pop, so we're gonna find out why she popped the balloon, alright? Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Good? Alright, I'll start with right here, right?
Go on.
Alright. Your name, why you pop your balloon?
Well, my name is Monique, social media, TikTok, Wicked Girl, Instagram, YBR Bad Girl, and why I pop my balloon? Because I'm short and my tall.
Oh, you're not like a shot at you?
Yeah, I'm too short. May I look down in my head? Like, seriously?
Not down in my head though.
And him short, and see look how short man for me. Him too short.
You know,
too short.
You know, after always I look down in my head, Tony can sit down together.
Well, him too short. Anyways, you look nice, you look ready. You can see say your body look fresh and clean, well made. Yeah.
I respect that.
Yeah, me I go give him a 10.
10 out of 10?
Yeah. I'm look, yeah, fresh, clean.
Oh, so what you like about him, I like him look clean.
I'm clean and nice, everything about him nice, you know. But this shortness.
So that could bypass?
Girl, no, extra short.
I know you're a fat make it time, but
him too short. But him nice, bad.
Right.
As I say black, cool, clean. You wonder which soap him paid with since day when him a come. I must peer soap. But trust me, yeah, I'm ready.
All right. What do you think about she based on her
Well,
appearance?
To me, she
Volume.
fit is all put together, you know. I go watch, go with her gold jewelry and sitting.
And the bag too.
Yeah, that too. Air Force White and something, you know. So we
Yeah.
can get 8.5.
8.5.
Yeah.
Good.
Thank you.
All right. Going to this side. You right here. Just some volume here.
Yeah, bro.
All right. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Him alright, but him too short. Me not like short guy.
But him taller than you.
Him jet black. No, me not like that.
Him jet black?
Yeah, him too black for me.
Or him too black for you?
Yeah. But him nice.
How much you dey rate him from 1 to 10 though?
That give him a 10. Him clean, you look good.
10 out of 10, but you pop your balloon?
Yeah.
Is he your type?
No.
Because of the complexion what you say.
No, and him too short.
Okay. What do you think about what you have to say and how much you dey rate her from 1 to 10?
Well, fair enough. To me, fair opinion, and I appreciate that, you know. For me, for a rated, I get a 7.
7 out of 10?
7 out of 10.
Good. You say? Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Hi, I'm Keita. You just short. Oh, you fit. 9 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
No. 9 out of 10. Everything is fine.
Oh, so mostly I like him fit.
Yeah. Short. Why you get so much short people in this around here?
How much what?
So much short people in this around here. Like, look how it's all, really. Do better.
Okay, we'll do better, shall because we remember we get a pool of people and they reach out to us and we select them, okay? We bring them through a process. So your type is taller. Kinda, okay. How much you do rate her from 1 to 10?
To me, her smile nice, like her tattoos, you know.
Thank you.
The eyebrow, neat, the ear. So for me, I can get a 8.5.
Thanks.
8.5?
Okay.
You like her eyebrow, you say?
Yeah, eyebrow neat.
Come to this side. Your name? Why you pop your balloon?
Why I want to tell you my name? Monique, Black British. Yeah.
Why you pop your balloon?
The reason I pop my balloon, you know I'm married already. I'm short. But him clean. Him neat. Bad. Him alright. And if you ever Kevin Hart, actress, yeah.
Him look like Kevin Hart?
Yeah, that me say na me eye. Oh, yeah, ask me really? Sure.
Okay. All right. What do you think about her based on her appearance though?
Thank you. I
You're
appreciate
welcome.
that. To be honest, for me, I would give you a 9 or 8. 8 better, preferably.
Choose 9 or 8. Which one?
8.
So you're going to for?
8.
Yeah.
But I like your wig.
Thank you.
Why you get her 8?
Because I like her wig. And
That's wig, Alan?
she complimented me and I complimented her. She looks nice.
But you walk in, I realize it's a ball. You just look like one of them. Outside the play for?
Play for Ibex Global, play for Corville Gardens, play for Maxfield Park, play a lot of football.
Okay.
You good?
Yeah.
All right, my G. All right, then. Me always have figured for ask you for 2. How much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I give him 8.5. 8.5. Because I'm short. It's a short. It's just short. Too short.
But you didn't think it could have bypassed because of how you like how him look?
I'm short. Could bypass. Because I'm like, man, with my height are taller. So you would.
So you know, did personality like when you dead and you just a chill and you say you really like.
Really? In too short. What more you want? It's just the shortness. I have to lift him up and throw him back. I can't bother with that. I want him lift me up. I don't want to lift him up.
You can't lift her up?
Okay.
Okay, come to the side. All right, then. Don't know my G. All right, so the female without a balloon, walk with grace woman, please. All right, my G. So it's down to 2 females, right? So you're going to ask them a question and they're going to ask you a question like, oh, they're only 2, all right? Good? Your name?
Spider.
Spider. What's his question?
No, him ask me first.
Oh, you want him? All right. You first, my G.
All right, nice, Spider.
Nice.
What's your profession?
Dancing.
All right.
I one question if you
You
ask.
can ask the next question, really.
Mm-hmm.
All right. What is your interest? What are you interested in? What
What do you-
inspire you then? Let me put it away then.
Hmm?
What inspire you?
My cousin,
Because inspire you?
Rebel.
All right, fair enough.
Rebel are your cousin?
All right.
Your name?
Kalia Arzan on all social, IG and TikTok.
All right, Kayla. Good night.
Night.
My question to you is, what is your objective in life?
My objective in life, well, it's basically just to get richer. I can't say anything else. Yeah, that's all.
All right, makes sense. Makes sense.
Good?
Yeah.
All right, we can stay right here. You're going to get a chance to ask him a question.
All right, what's the most important thing to you in life? Or
What's
what,
the-
and
me?
what do you prioritize in a relationship? That's important for me to know.
What I prioritize in a relationship is
Two
honesty.
questions. What's the most important
All right,
thing in
so
life?
most important thing in life to me,
Mhm.
family.
Yeah,
I put
that's
my
not
family
bad.
first. Always. Secondly, what was the second question again? What inspires?
Well,
me?
What do you prioritize in a relationship?
All right. So what I prioritize in a relationship is connection. Without connection, there wouldn't be a relationship.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah. That's...
All right. Come on to the side, my G. What's his question?
Hold on. You look like a type. That one.
You'd have to let me know if you're a type though. Raise the bean.
Why you type?
Raise the bean. Again, as I stated at the beginning of the introduction, personality, characteristics, features. So based on your physical features, to me, you can get a 360. Yeah, fair enough. Your features would be my type of feature, yeah?
Alright.
Any more question? No, that's it?
Yeah.
Okay. All right, so females, I want to know, are you guys keeping your balloon? You keeping yours?
I'll ask you my question first.
All right, let me find out. You keeping yours?
Yeah.
Yes? All right. Yeah.
So you were saying something about restaurant. What do you do after the restaurant? I didn't hear that part.
As I stated before, it's a case where you desire what you want to do. If you want to like going out somewhere or you want to go home, what do you feel comfortable with?
Okay.
Also, the first date, if you want it end or to continue,
Yeah, how comfortable she is.
Okay. All right.
you staying? Keep your man near balloon?
About your time. Mama said no,
No.
You will like thick girls. I'm gonna ask you that. Thicker girls.
Sticker girls?
Yeah.
Why you refer to as sticker girls?
Girls who have on more body fat than me. Yeah.
Actually, you both are in the same category in terms of slim, thick, or
Okay.
slim.
Okay.
So
Good.
basically,
All right. All right.
All right. This side, my G. All right, so it's down to you right now, all right? They have them balloon, right? My G,
yeah, bro.
based on the question and the answer that you got and the chemistry, you say you go off a personality, right? And features too. So I know who you probably are leaning towards more. So you're gonna pop one female balloon, all right? Give me a pick. I can borrow your pick.
No, you don't have to take the pick, man. You don't have to take it.
Eh?
You don't have to take it.
You don't want the.
No.
Okay. Pop one female balloon based on.
We can ask a question.
You want to ask a question
Yeah.
before
Yeah.
for each of them?
Yeah, one question for the both of them.
Yo. Are you guys okay with that? Yeah? Okay. One question, all right?
Yeah.
Yeah. You ready?
Mm-hmm.
So the question is for both of you guys. When are you guys planning on having kids?
When I set myself.
And for you?
Basically, the same thing. Without enough financial security, there's no way I'll be having kids anytime soon. So maybe my late
Why?
20s. Yeah.
Oh, so you want to secure yourself?
Yeah, like I have to know that they can go private school, everything what they want. Before that, no kids.
You good?
And you have to marry me first because I'm not a baby mother. That's not my family legacy, so no. Mhm.
Married to? Marriage to?
No, not Afi.
Okay. All right. All right, my G. So it's up to you right now. Pop one female balloon. Okay, you got your answer. You want to pick now. Can I borrow your pick?
No, I don't want to pick, bro. Hold the pick, man. Hold the pick.
Okay. All
Hold the
right.
pick, man. Hold the pick. All right, so based on answer the moment get.
Use the mic. Use the mic.
All right, so based on answer the moment get, right? So based on answer the moment get. I'm gonna keep yours, because more to you.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Where? Yeah, where? Yeah. Why you kept your balloon all along?
Because him seem alright, but him kind of give me a player vibes. So yeah.
It seemed like a player to you?
Yeah, him smile too much. Yeah, and him short, but him alright as me say still. But the fact say him pop balloon for that reason there, me glad to.
Him pop the balloon for what kind of reason?
Because me say me not giving him any kids without. I'm not. I would not.
Actually,
Why?
it wasn't about giving me kids without marriage or anything like that.
Yeah, why you pop your balloon?
Is it so? Basically, for me,
Mhm.
I was just questioning you guys' intuition
Mhm.
on what is the objective, which I do
Mhm.
appreciate what you said.
Yeah.
But for me, smiling, that's just my personality.
Okay.
Right? So yeah.
And you kept your balloon because you just.
Me just did want to see what he's like. Just we talk to him more to see if he's more my type. Because even though he's not my type, as I said, I still want to get to know somebody. Because what if they might surprise me later? You know. So
Yeah, that's
for that purpose.
Understood.
Oh, you know, just have one category and.
No, I'm interested in exploring different types. But as I said, in short. So
All right, how much would you rate him from 1 to 10 though?
I'll give him my 8. Him look alright. Yeah.
All right, my G. More know why you popped your balloon? Why you pop her balloon?
Yeah, I'm tell you that's all.
Because.
My question
I
is
want to get rich up. Yeah, because when you
But,
have more money, you can have more happiness and joy. So me just
I
say that
don't
because
have
I
a
know
problem
that's
with that.
why.
I
You're just
appreciate
not
that.
ambitious as me, but it's okay.
But I appreciate that.
So you're saying you pop her balloon because
of my personal reason.
because of your person
Yeah.
and why you pop her
I'm
balloon?
Papa balloon, as
Yeah.
Rishi say, not her type. You can see that. But she just want to talk to me. Because when you look at her, you can see her, she look for me.
Oh, she's not giving her that look.
Yes. But
That
yeah.
Is that true?
So he's not my type.
Yeah, he's saying that you're not looking at him like, mesmerizing.
Maybe if him feel like that is the case, then maybe it's the case. I don't know.
So is he right?
Is he? I have a specific type, but didn't really come here so today, but it's alright. Yeah.
So him right.
But it doesn't mean that I won't date outside of my type. I will. I can. I should say, yeah.
How much would you rate her from 1 to 10?
She can give me a solid 8.
Thank you.
8 out of 10?
You like your ear?
Thanks.
All right. It wasn't that much today. Walk with grace, woman, please. All right, so we're down to 1 right now, okay? So is there any question you want to ask him before you continue? Before I ask my big question, all right?
No.
No question for him?
No.
No. Any question for her before I ask my big question?
All right. Let me see. Can I think of like 1 minute?
Think about 1 minute? No, we don't have 1 minute. We don't have 1 minute, bro. It's just a serious, all right. Before I ask my important question, more make sure you finalize everything,
Mm-hmm.
So, is there any more question?
Are you interested?
I wouldn't stand up here the same way.
How much interested are you?
I would have popped my balloon already.
Why keep the balloon?
Because I been know say you're my man.
Wait.
Yeah.
Something all right.
Okay. It's getting hot in here. Okay. It's getting hot in here. Okay. All right, so I'm going to ask my question right now. Come on, Margie. Is it a match for you? Is it a match for you?
Definite.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah, bro.
Is it a match for you?
Yeah.
It's a match for you?
Yeah.
So we have a match?
Yeah.
So we have a match? Yeah! Yo! Yo! She didn't know say her bro! We making history, bro.
Yo, she scooped that up, bro. She scooped that up like, or you scoop up a peanut butter.
Like, boss, I tell the secret to tell me don't bring her in. I'm a party. What you mean? Alright, what's on the people? Make sure to leave a like. I can't wait for seeing it in a person. Ask me for my flyer. Like, I want to never post it. Like, please, for my birthday, just post me up. I never yet feel special by my fans, them, my supporter, them, people who watch me and things. You see it? So, if you can do that for me, just post me on your WhatsApp status. I not have to see it. But that's why you post me. I don't need to see it. You see it? I love you like always. You see it? Big up my team. But now, like, if them never there, that video would be possible. So, what them say, no man is an island, no man stands alone. Big number, you see it? Love and love alone. Big up the general, them, while I'm on that. And before I go, I need a hug, okay? Love, thank you so much. My love when you're there. My consistent. Give a round up for applause for me, man. Like, my been a put out. Me have a bangers that come out, so just make sure to subscribe. You see it? Got it like all the time. Big up GG Studio. Right at Town Center. Pre the studio, no man. Lights and everything. A lot of backgrounds. Got it like all the time. Chips.
Banana chips for you.
No, but you.
This banana chips for you. Say I got this banana chips for you. Make you crunchy, crunchy.
GCT forever. And ever, we say goodbye.
Call them so much team of a boss. Call them so much team of a boss. Call them so much team of a boss. Road to 200k. Get me a say, like, comment, subscribe.